how can you share the Safari reading list with another iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So there are more ways how you can do it. It depends on whether or not the phone is yours or if you are sharing it with someone else. But at first, you can go to the Safari, tap on the three dots and go to the bookmarks. So there you can find your reading list when you switch to the glasses view right there. And the reading list contains a bunch of different websites, but you can use the two-finger gesture to drag across all of the different websites which are stored in here. And you can just grab them like this. All of them will be selected, and you can just, for example, move it over into the messages. And there, just share it with someone with, over iMessage or through the regular text. And you can literally just export or share all of the websites which you have stored in your reading list with other person. This is obviously not ideal if you have so many web pages saved there, but I guess it gets the job done. However, if you have multiple phones which belong to you, meaning that you are using the very same Apple ID on both devices, you just have to make sure that everything gets synced over iCloud. Because you can go to your settings, tap your name, and at the top, go to iCloud and tap on the, all apps so you can manage everything. And if you have the Safari synchronization enabled, it just means that all of the bookmarks, the, layout of the Safari browser and all of the things including reading list will be synced with other devices as well. So as I say, if you have more things, you will be able to access the same web pages and all of the stored things on other devices as well. So that is a different way of doing that. But let me know in the comments below if you managed to pull it off on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this, and I'll see you later.